This is CBS 46 News at 11. Getting results.
And we begin with breaking news at 11. President Trump taking action to prioritize Americans for COVID-19 vaccine.
Tonight, the White House confirming the president will sign an executive order tomorrow. It will prioritize vaccine shipments to Americans before other nations. That action meant to curb concerns that there will not be enough doses to go around.
Meantime, the U.S. continues to see a surge in cases. More than 1 million infections have been reported since the start of December. And during that same time, 14,000 Americans have died.
Georgia also getting hit hard this month. We recorded nearly 27,000 cases, including almost 4,900 today.
Well, these staggering numbers are straining the health system, as you can imagine. CBS 46's Haley Mason is live at a testing site in Atlanta looking into the ripple effect of so many sick people. Haley.
Rick, we're live at one of the daily COVID testing sites in the city of Atlanta, and doctors say the results they're getting are showing an alarming number of newly sick people, and our hospitals are bearing the weight of it all. Georgia health officials seeing the dangerous result of holiday gatherings as COVID cases soar.
We knew that we would see a surge over the holiday season, but I don't think that any of us anticipated the level of surge that we're seeing right now.
In DeKalb County, new positive cases increased 10 times in just the last week.
We were doing between 250 and 350 a week, and now we did 2,000 in a week.
Health officials are having to close some sites early because they're running out of staff to keep up with the demand.
I believe if we had more bodies to test, we could probably have even higher numbers.
And the sick patients flooding into hospitals across the state, which are now at 80% capacity. Well over 2,400 people are in the ICU right now across the state, which is seeing a nearly 84% capacity rate. And more than 870 people are on ventilators right now. The worst outlook, seniors in long-term care facilities.
We suspect that we are now experiencing about 5,000 deaths every single week in long-term care facilities. That's the horrible news.
Doctors today urging they get the vaccine immediately.
If long-term care residents and those employees aren't vaccinated first, it is an enormous public health blunder.
And sometimes it's hard to really keep into perspective that these numbers are actually real people who need real help. And these long care facility leaders are asking for help. They're asking the government to set a March 1st deadline to make sure that all residents in long-term care facilities get the second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine so that it can be fully effective. Reporting live in Atlanta, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.